How to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Klaviyo email marketing with your Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify store and you'll get to your admin right here. We have myshopify.com. Once you get here, you're going to go to the apps and open up your Shopify app store. Once you get to Shopify app store, you're going to search for Klaviyo. Klaviyo is an email and SMS marketing platform that will allow us to create email marketing campaigns. So here we have Klaviyo. You can see email marketing and SMS. All you need to do is just click on add app. I have already installed Klaviyo. That is why it says app installed. But you will click on this button where it says add app. You can see right here, you will be able to sync all of your Shopify data with Klaviyo. You will be able to customize and create email marketing campaign and SMS campaign. It also has a free version available, so you can connect that to your Shopify. Once you have added the app Klaviyo to your Shopify, make sure that you have an account on Klaviyo. Creating an account on Klaviyo is really easy. You can just go ahead and sign up with your email address or your phone number. So once you have signed up for Klaviyo and you have added Klaviyo to your Shopify, you're going to go to the settings. In settings, I'm going to take you to our apps and sales channels right here. Here we have Klaviyo and you can open your app. Connecting these two platforms is really easy. Once you have created an account on Klaviyo, all you need to do is you just need to sign in to your Klaviyo. So you can see I will just sign in. Once I sign in, it will take me to my Klaviyo dashboard and I will be able to create email marketing campaigns, SMS campaigns, and more. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.